Hello my dear students, welcome to new virtual teaching classes. Now today we are going to learn complex number because we don't have a book anything till there. We'll learn the basic thing about this complex number. After getting the book we'll go in the details, okay? Till there we'll learn the basic thing. Okay, actually what is complex number? Do you know what is real number? I think you know the counting number, natural number, that is the basic set of the number. After that, whole number, then integers, then real number. Okay. You know what is natural number? Number start from 1 is called natural number, and whole number which is start from 0. Then integer, it is a system of natural numbers. Their negatives and 0. Then real number, all numbers are real numbers. Okay, what is real number? Now look at here. Today we are going to learn complex number. Basic thing about it. And before going to learn what is complex number, before going to understand this complex number, first we will learn what is real number. Okay, real number. All numbers are real number except under root, square root, under square root, negative number. That is -1, -2, -3, -4, -9, so on. Okay? All kind of numbers are real numbers. Natural number is real number, whole number is a real number, integer is a real number, decimal is a real number, fraction is a real number, square root 2, square root 3, all numbers are real number except under root negative number, and these are not real number. Okay, then what kind of number is this one then? This is called complex number, and this type of numbers are called complex number. That means complex number is a bigger set of number than real number. Small set of number is natural number, then bigger than natural is whole number, bigger than whole is integer, and then bigger than integer is rational number, and bigger than rational is real number, then bigger than this real number is complex number. That means look at it. This is a set of natural number. You know very well. Then next is whole number. Then bigger than whole number is rational number, and bigger than rational number is real number. Bigger than real number is complex number. Okay, bigger than this one, complex number. Okay, that means all natural numbers are complex number, all whole numbers are complex number, all rational numbers are complex number, all real numbers are complex number, but all complex numbers are not real numbers. All real numbers are not rational numbers. All rational numbers are not whole numbers. All whole numbers are not natural number. Okay, got it? Now, that is what is complex number. The square root of -1 is called complex number. Now I will show you what is the symbol of complex number. Let me write the code first. Now complex number is indicated by I. Okay? Complex number is indicated by I. I stands for imaginary numbers. Okay? Imaginary numbers. And this, what is I? I equals to under root minus 1. Okay? This is a very important relation of complex number. From this relation, we will get many formulas. Okay? And this is the basic things. Please remember, I stands for complex number or imaginary numbers. Okay? I stands for complex number or imaginary number. And what is the value of I? Value of I is square root minus 1. Then just do the squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Okay? Squaring both sides. It is not a statement of city. This is a squaring both sides. After doing squaring both sides, what do we get? I square equals to under root minus 1 whole square, and this is square and minus 1 get cancel. So this square and root get cancel. That means I square equals to minus 1. Now this is a very important value for I square. In the questions, if you saw I square you can replace by minus 1. Remember, in question, if you saw the root minus 1 can be replaced by I. Then I square means we can write the product of I into I. Okay, I multiply I square means we can express as I multiply I equals to minus 1. Then, now let's get the value of I. Then what is the value of I? Minus 1 divided by no. Now we got the two value of I. One is value of I is under root minus 1. Another one is value of I is minus 1 by I. Remember. Okay. This is also one of the formulas. Then just can transpose this sign towards left. Then what will we get? 1 by I equals to minus I. All these are the basic relations or basic property of complex number or imaginary number. What is complex number? The set of real number are called complex number. In complex number, it consists of all kind of numbers. Okay, imaginary as well as real, whole, natural, integer, everything is there. Now, now suppose your question is like this. Suppose your question is minus 5. Then how we will simplify? These are the basic formulas. Remember, these are the basic properties of imaginary number. I stand for imaginary numbers or complex numbers. Okay. Then look at here, I equals to under root of minus 1 is there. Then after squaring, we got I square equals to minus 1. This is a very important value because it's when you simplify the imaginary equations, this type of questions, complex questions, always we replace I square by minus 1. And then from here we got sometimes we need to replace this I or minus 1 by I by I. Okay. Then 1 by I means minus I. Remember, all these are the simple properties to simplify the complex sum or imaginary sum. Then how you will simplify this one? How will you simplify? To simplify this one is very easy. Just okay, I will give you the one clue. Under root minus A. A stands for any kind of numbers. Okay. A equals to under root A then I. Okay, let me explain how you get. Okay. Now this is minus 1 into, correct? And this one is under root minus 1 into under root A. Then what is the value of under root minus 1? Under root minus 1. The value of under root minus 1 is I. That means this is equals to I root A, or you can simply write root I. According to this concept, okay? According to this concept, how to simplify these questions? How to express the answer of this one? Just to write under pi I. Okay? These are the basic key to solve the imaginary sums. Okay? Now, I will show you how to simplify. Suppose there is a I to the power 3. Then how will you simplify? Break the power as a multiple of 2. Always break the power as a multiple of 2. Okay, because if there is power is multiple of 2, can be replaced by -1. Now look at here, how to do this one. Now this is I square dot I. Then I square can be replaced by -1. And this is equals to -1 dot I. This way we need to simplify the imaginary sum. Now one more question, so look at here. I to the power 37. How do you simplify? Just always break this power as multiple of 2. Okay, multiple of 2, something there. Okay, sum of multiple of 2 and any numbers. Then how to break this power? When you breaking the power, always make the multiple of 2. Always make the multiple of 2. Now look at here. I 36 dot I1. Okay. According to the basic concept of power formula. Okay. Power formula A m plus n equals to s to the power m dot a to the power n. Okay. This is the power exponential formula. You already learned in the class 6-7. Now same knowledge we are using to split this power as multiple of 2 and something else there. Okay. Then now let's make some multiple of 2. Now 36. 36 2 multiply, how much is 36? Always make the multiple of 2 because we went to the value of I square. Okay. Now look at here. Then can we do like this? 2 multiply 18. 2 multiply 18 is how much? 36. 2 multiply 18 is how much? 36. Then dot I. Then let's do it like this. I square multiply. Now just split the power. Now look at here. Suppose a to the power n is there. Now then a to the power n, then a to the power n, you can split the power because bracket in plus bracket means multiplications. Now I square, then what is there? Dot I square 2 multiply 18 is 36. Then I is there. Then what is the value of y square? What is the value of y square? Value of y square is -1. Now replace it. Now replace the value of I square. Remember? I replace I square by its value. Then this is how much? -1 to the power 18 dot I. And remember, then what is the value of -1 multiply 18 times? What product will you get? Just look at here. -1 to the power odd. Will you get -1? Okay. -1 to the power even. Will you get last one? And this is the basic concept to simplify this kind of questions. Because we don't have time to multiply this 18 times. That means if the power of negative sign is even, then their sign, product sign will be plus. If the power of negative sign is odd, then their final sign is negative. Remember. Okay? Now this is 1, then this is 1, and this is +1 dot I. Then final answer is how much? I. This way we need to simplify this kind of questions. That means these points are very important to simplify. Okay, and let me do one more question. Suppose I to the power 5 plus I to the power 4 plus I to the power 3, then plus 1 divided by I to the power 3 plus 1 divided by I. Okay. Now let's simplify by using the basic relation of complex number. Now always split this power as multiple of 2. Okay. Now let's split this one. I 4 dot I. Correct. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then this is already multiple of 2. Just make a multiple of 2. 2 multiply how much is 4? 2 multiply 2 is 4. And again make this multiple of 2. 2 multiply 1. Then plus 1 divided by I square dot I, because I cube is there. I cube means I square dot I. Then plus what is the value of 1 upon I? What is the value of 1 upon I? Value of 1 upon I is minus I. Value upon 1 upon I is minus I. Replace it by its real value. Then now simplify. This is I square dot I, because 2 2s are 4. Then plus again here I square, then plus this is, okay, I made a mistake here. I cube means square dot I, okay, because cube is there. I cube means I square dot I1. Then what is the value of I square? Value of I square is how much? Minus 1. Okay, value of I square is minus 1. Then dot I. Then similarly 1 upon value of this I square is how much? Minus 1 dot I. Then this plus minus I. Now what is the value of I square? Value of I square is minus 1. Then minus 1 square dot I. Okay, dot I is there. Then plus the value of I square is minus 1 square. This I square is minus 1 and outer square is there. Then plus minus I. 1 into I is I. Then plus minus 1 upon I. 1 upon I minus I. Okay. Now I square means this is even power, means the product of I minus into minus is plus. That's why into power is even. The final sign is product plus. Okay, final sign is plus. Now this is I plus I, and this is plus minus plus 1. Then minus I. 1 upon I. 1 upon I means minus I. Okay, right here minus I. Then minus I. Now this plus I and minus I cancelled. Now this is 1 minus plus I, then minus I. Again this plus I minus I. Their sum is 0, that's why we cancelled it. Now this is how much we got finally? 1. This way to simplify the imaginary expression by using this basic relation. Now this is the basic identities of complex number. Remember, this is the basic identities of complex number. Please go through this and memorize it. Don't need to memorize all these things, just memorize this, okay, and do the square it. You can do it mentally. After doing mentally, I square equals to -1. Then you can speak this I square as a product of I multiplier. Then I equals to 1 of -1 upon I, or 1 upon I equals to -I. You can remember very easily. You can do the same thing in your brain only. Okay. Now I'll give you one song for your practice. Okay. Questions? Simplify. Okay. Simplify. I 97 plus 97 plus I 35. The next questions. I 5 plus 1 upon I 3 plus 1 upon I plus 1. Okay, now do this one. Okay, this is questions for your practice. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.